friends, it's your girl Kimchi Warrior Princess here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my step-by-step tutorial on my favorite work hairstyle. And in case you're not already aware, I've been in the Air Force now, active duty as an officer for 10 years. My channel is all about helping you dress and live your best professional life. So if that interests you, make sure you click that red subscribe link below. Like actually tap it right now. Alright, so let's get into this hairstyle. So I started with 1 day old hair here. Freshly washed can work too, but make sure it's dry for best results. So first, section 3 chunks of hair at the top of your head, and the biggest difference between a French braid and a Dutch braid, which is what we're doing here, is that for a Dutch braid you braid underneath the middle section of hair as opposed to braiding over. So with each addition of hair, you grab a new chunk from the outside and add it in as you're pulling up underneath the middle section. So again, pull from the outside, add it in, and go underneath the middle piece. And you just keep repeating this over and over again. So it's okay if you don't get this at first. I watched like 8 videos on YouTube at first and sat in front of the mirror. I also practiced while watching TV. It actually helped me not looking at the mirror, but to each their own. So just be patient with yourself. I'll link another video below that I found helpful learning how to Dutch braid and some tips to really make your braid pop. Number 1, highlights always help add dimension. So mine are grown out, but you can see it adds some dimension. Number 2, fan out or pancake the hair like I'm doing right now. And this really adds volume to your look. When you do pancake out the braid, make sure that you're pulling from the outer edges of the braid and not from like the inner part. So always pull from the outer edges. So the final step is just secure this whole look into a bun, and any leftover pieces hanging out, you can put bobby pins as well so that you keep a chic look. And this is the finished version, voila. So I think it's very professional yet elegant, and it adds some interest to your look versus like the typical boring sort of bun. And at some point you'll be able to do this super quickly. I've been able to master this in like 2.5 minutes now. So you can also wear this in a suit or to your regular job if you're not in the military. You can add a nice gold hoop earring too. And then also you can undo it and just do the ponytail look. You can also add a scrunchie too for interest. Obviously no scrunchie when you're in uniform. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful. Please let me know in a comment below which hairstyle or what you would like to see next. And make sure you hit subscribe, and you can also check me out on Instagram at Kimchi Warrior Princess. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.